algorithm and this teal algorithm right there. Now, very, very simply, I opened a position here, 1141, isn't it? And understanding this, I closed it. Say I closed it at 1214, which was right here. Now, this is just literally 1 point trade, but it's a 100% trade, a 1 point trade right there. Now, I only extracted 80%, but it went to 100. But this is just 1 point trade. Now, technically speaking, it is an 80% trade, but that's only if I allow my $5.7 to be the entirety of the stop loss. But the truth is, my stop loss is where this teal algorithm is and where that 646 blue level is. So in this case, my actual risk to reward is 850% from an 80% trade. You understand that, isn't it? Because you are able to identify the algorithms to the penny. And that's very important. Once you're able to identify it to the penny, you're able to manage your risks, and your risk to reward will actually be much higher than the contract value itself. Now, once you understand how to manage your risks like that, and you see us do this every single day. So learn to identify the algorithms, learn to manage your risks, and your rewards will start soaring. This is a lifetime skill. If you're new to this, take your time, watch every day, report in every day, practice, learn. You will stack up the skills. The point is to find profits in the charts every single day for the rest of your life. And let's talk about this magenta. It's quite important in the second half of the video.